missed you so bad. Yeah, Bubba. Are you a good boy? Are you such a good boy? The cherry tree bloomed. I was worried I was going to miss it, but it looks like it's just starting. I'm so excited. Izzy. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Yep, 16. All accounted for. There's those big chickens. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Izzy. Bubs, come. Izzy, come. Let's go. Where's your ball, Izzy? Oh, there it is. Let's go, let's go.
You're gonna make it not make it. It has to hang out in the air to make a sound like this. There you go. Oh.
Don't break it. At least it's on the carpet.
You could paint this.
We could, but we shouldn't.
It probably wouldn't make the same
It
sound.
would make it not make as good of a sound.
The bag. No, it wouldn't look as cool. No, I guess
There
the
you
bag.
go.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
there you got it. If you hold this,
There.
okay, hold the frog
What?
like you were.
Renee,
Hold it like this.
Do you
If
like
hold
your little
this
purse?
Back here, it'll make
Did
better
you put your
sound
little
too.
animal in there?
Hold it just back there.
Yes.
Right here. There you go. Now try it like that.
Oh,
There you go.
You sound just like a frog or a cricket.
Can I try it, Levi?
Yeah. All I do is I love it so
There you
much.
Oh, it's like...
It's so cute. Yeah.
We stumbled into San Antonio on a whim.
Oh,
On
that is so
Monday, we were supposed to go
He's
jet
so
skiing.
cute. It's a little finnick
Lily's
fox.
sister and her boyfriend
Foxes
have a
are
jet
my
ski. And
favorite
they're like, I
animal.
want to take Jeff's jet ski.
It
I've
lives
never
in
been jet skiing
here.
before, so I was like, I'll try it.
I have one more present for
But then it was
Autumn, but she's not here, so I'll have to give it to her when we get home.
Oh.
Which was kind of dangerous.
You need to try on one of your hats.
They weren't super close that day.
Yeah,
They
put it
were
on. I want
somewhat
to see. You
dangerous, But then it was cold, so it just
need to make it smaller.
would have been very pleasant in the water.
Ah,
So,
come back here.
just went to a jet ski.
Yeah. It's where I got this
And I said, let's just go to San Antonio.
Awesome.
So we-
You look so
She's like,
awesome.
oh, it's Fiesta.
That's all my gardening.
Fiesta of what? I said, oh, it's Fiesta. This is Fiesta week.
Hey, Levi,
What?
what did you get? What did you get at Grammy's house?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a plant.
What kind of plant?
A tomato plant.
And what kind of tomatoes does it make?
It makes striped tomatoes. It's red and orange, but
What?
no striped orange. Just the whole body.
Like red and orange stripes?
Yeah.
I'm so excited for those. What did you get, Charity?
Another tomato plant.
Yeah?
Is an early girl. It's
Early
just
girl.
Regular red tomatoes.
Okay,
And
sounds
I got a whole
good.
bunch of tiny stuff.
And this is boys.
No, thank you. Hey, you too.
This a boy one.
A boy? Well, I don't know that tomatoes are boys or girls.
Stripey, and this one's an early girl.
Oh, I see. That's funny.
So we got that.
What in the world?
Yeah, it smells
Renee, can I hold it? Smells
No, the snake smells horrible.
It's
so colorful.
Okay, Levi wants to have a turn to hold it. It's so big.
Yeah, it's a really
Don't
big
get
one.
up.
It does
Get
stink.
away.
Make Mama throw up again. Oh, it smells horrible.
It's so cute
Absolutely
though.
terrible.
It's cute. Wait, Levi, I gotta just hold it a little bit so it doesn't get wet.
Do you like it?
Can we bring it home?
No,
Why?
he needs to stay in his happy home here.
Yeah, this looks very good.
I want to let it go. I gotta let it go.
Wait,
Hey, Levi, let go.
wait, I
It's
want
so strong.
Look, wait,
We are back to real life. The kids catching snakes. We stopped at the park to play because the weather is beautiful. We left Texas and it was raining and overcast and thunderstormy. And we get here and it's like highs in the 80s and beautiful and sunny. Like alternate universe here. Anyway, so we stop at the park, but on the way to the park, Bubs puked in the car. So he's been really good about not puking in the car for a really long time. But apparently a week, well, I don't know if he had any car rides for the whole week that I was gone, so maybe his tummy needs to adjust again. So anyways, I am going to clean up some puke. Back to real life. So this park is not very close to our house. It's near my in-laws' house, which is where we just picked up Levi and Charity. And so we don't come here very often. And they have these little stone statues, one of a dog and one of a frog. And Renee was sitting on the frog, and it reminded me that I had a picture of her on the very same frog the last time we came here, and she was like, I don't know, maybe 3. In the picture, so I had to get another picture of her on the frog, and I'll show you that next to the 3-year-old Renee on the very same frog.
See that?
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty, aren't they? They are gorgeous. We got them in San Antonio. They're so pretty. At the oldest saloon in Texas.
I'm wearing those today.
Yeah.
Mom got me from there.
They're so pretty.
Magnetic rocks.
Ooh.
Like a fidget toy.
Those are perfect for Charity.
Yeah. My tulip bloomed while I was gone. That's exciting. We'll see if I get any more over here. And then so tomorrow, as of the day I'm recording, tomorrow is my birthday. And usually the lilacs are in bloom on my birthday, but we've had kind of a cooler spring, so they're not quite. I think it's going to be another few days, probably within a week, before we will have lilacs blooming all over the property. So looking forward to that. I'm glad I didn't miss that, because if it were a warmer spring, I might have missed the lilac blooming. So I'm glad I'm not going to miss that. We've still got the daffodils. I love these rose daffodils. They're so beautiful. And then what are these lilies of the valley? I don't remember. They're similar looking to lilies of the valley, but we have a few of those here that are nicely in bloom. Oh, here's one over here. That's real pretty. Oh, wow, that's nice. The sage is doing really well. I need to come out here and pick some and do something with it. The lavender is going nuts. I probably need to prune those or something, but things are coming back. Spring is just always so beautiful around here. Some of my succulents are popping through. Oh, there's a little one right there. You just can't have nice landscaping with chickens. They just dig through it and make it a disaster. So you just kind of have to accept that when you have free range chickens. But here's my rosemary. It looks really pretty with all the little purple flowers. I need to come do more fresh herbs on stuff now that these are doing so well. These daffodils are still going strong. I thought the daffodils would be all done by the time I got home, but these ones are still doing good. I should pick some to take inside. All of the periwinkles. The summer snow is not blooming yet, but it looks quite luscious. I imagine we will get a lot of the little white summer snow flowers. These over here too. It's going to be so pretty. This is my little white lilac bush that I planted last year. No, actually maybe 2 years ago. And I got a little tiny bunch of flowers on it last year. And we'll see how it does this year. It seems to be doing okay. It's surviving. Okay, this came in the mail while I was gone. I am so excited. Chai latte from Keto Chow. And let's see, where is it? Oh, where are the little 2 crazy ketos? On the other ones, there's like the little Too Crazy Keto logo on it. The Too Crazy Ketos did help develop this new flavor. They have the caramel macchiato and the Irish cream that they've done. So they're like the coffee shop warm drink people. They do all of the coffee and warm flavors, coffee and tea flavors. So anyways, I want to get this mixed up in the creamy container and make some chai latte ice cream. I think that's going to be really good. So of course I don't have any defrosted meat or leftovers at this point. So I am throwing myself together some lunch, and I did pull some stuff out of the freezer that I'm going to use maybe for dinner or for tomorrow. But I am very hungry right now, and so I'm going to do some of the salmon that I had in the fridge, leftover pepperoni, some cheese, and then some olives and some pickled jalapenos for kind of like a charcuterie plate. Now that's a lunch right there.
It's more like a charcuterie board.
Well, it's a charcuterie board lunch. I couldn't wait to taste this, so I am mixing one up as a shake. I have some ice in there, so it should be like a milkshake. Mixing it up with cream. I already smelled it, and the spice is coming through really strong, so I'm excited to taste it. I think you should taste it and tell me what you think it is. Okay. Like just the flavors. I don't know if you'll get it exactly, but you can just tell me what flavors you taste.
Okay.
Be real careful, it's real full. Don't tip it.
Tastes like maple something.
Maple? That's a good guess. Let me taste
waffle?
it. No, that's a good guess though.
Is it coffee?
It's not coffee.
Is it? What is it?
That's Dad's.
Can I have some in the cup?
Yes, you can. You want to taste it?
No, I want to see it.
Okay. It's a keto chow shake. It's their newest flavor.
Okay. Wait, is there some in here?
There's only a tiny bit. I'll give you some of mine because I don't need a whole one. I just had lunch.
I like it.
You do like it?
I put the tiniest
What
bit
What
in
does it taste like to you?
It tastes like milk.
Milk? Yeah, good. Kind of like spicy milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Do you want to try it?
Not really.
No, you're not a keto chow fan. So any final guesses? You said it's something like maple?
For a second, I was about to say ice cream, but
It does taste like ice cream, doesn't it? It's like a milkshake. All right, it is chai latte. Do you know what chai is?
no.
It's a tea with lots of spices in it. Like, hey, Levi, leave Bubs alone. It's like a tea with lots of spices like cinnamon and nutmeg and cardamom and sometimes even black pepper and star anise. You can see on here they have star anise and cinnamon stick. And I think it just tastes like spice. Like there's just spice. Yeah. It's really good. But then with the heavy cream, it's super, super creamy. And I think it's going to make a really good ice cream. It's going to be super good.
The cream kind of takes over.
The cream, you think?
Yeah.
And then there's a hint of spice. I think it would be really good as an ice cream and have it with something like an apple crisp or some kind of a cinnamony pie, maybe a pecan pie or something.
Pecan sticky bun pie.
Oh, there you go.
It just said pecan sticky bun.
Yes, and then a scoop of chai latte ice cream. That would be amazing. I just realized what this reminded me of. It reminds me of cereal milk after you have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Because it's cinnamon and a little bit spicy and very creamy. Cereal milk. Hey you.
Hi.
I missed you so bad. Where are we going?
Up there,
What's up there?
trees and
Trees
grass.
and grass. But what do we call it up there? The place where you and Dad camp?
Camp Squadroness.
Camp Squatternush. All right, we're walking up the path
coming up.
to Camp Squatternush.
Yeah. And Talio's up here.
Talia was up here. She went to get something and she'll be right back. I wonder when we'll start seeing some more morel mushrooms on the path, remember? They love wood.
At the park.
You did?
On a tree.
Oh, wow. They're probably not the kind we want to eat. But the morel mushrooms that grow on our path here in the wood chips, they're good to eat
Yeah.
if we wash them real good.
Yeah, I love mushrooms.
You do?
Yeah.
Good.
I haven't tried them before, but I like them.
You haven't tried them before, but you like them. You have tried them before, and they're good. Oh, you really like the morel mushrooms. I remember last time I cooked them, you really liked them.
What?
They kind of taste meaty.
Oh.
Here's the campsite.
Oh, look, that house is getting covered up.
Yeah.
Oh, look, exactly right here.
Yeah, she's coming back.
This is a nice view.
It's a nice view.
Some sheep.
Oh, do you see them? Oh, there they are. Right by the pond.
There's some other ones.
I don't see anybody else out besides the sheepies.
What if I just like I spy over here?
Ooh, that would be fun.
It'll be hard too.
It would.
I don't see any other animals.
You don't?
No, there's a pile
Sometimes-
of garbage too.
Yeah, pile of garbage.
I might-
Sometimes dogs are down there herding the sheep.
What?
Herding the sheep.
Oh, that's
Not hurting them, but herding them with a D. Oh, good. That's exactly what you needed. So which tree are you trying to get into? This one. Okay.
I've been in there a few times before.
And you get stuck.
One time I got stuck because I got in there by putting a log right here, and I realized when I got up there that I had to jump down.
Yeah. I think
I
think this little boy missed me just a little bit. Just a teeny tiny bit, right?
No, I missed you a lot.
You did? Well, because he is stuck to me like glue. Giving me lots of snuggles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love it. I missed all the snuggles. I missed all the snuggles.
I missed you.
I missed you, but did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
You did. What did you do at Grammy's house?
We did bikes.
You rode bikes? Did you work in the garden with her?
Yeah, and we ate.
You
and
ate?
And we watched Paw Patrol and Blaze.
Paw Patrol and Blaze, that's awesome.
And Rubble and Crew.
Robert and Crew?
No, Rubble and Crew.
Rubble and Crew?
Yeah.
Is that from Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
Oh, is it like a new spin-off show?
Yeah.
Whoa, I didn't even know that
it's-
existed.
No, it was actually a new show.
With Rubble the bulldog from Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
And it's family.
Rubble's family?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
And it's actually, and they actually talk.
They actually talk.
That Rubble's family does.
That sounds so fun. But I'm just so glad to have you
And
home.
Rubble says, Bow Wow, what's Bow Wow build?
That's what?
Bow Wow build.
Bow Wow build. That's so silly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Are you gonna put on your hat?
It got too hot for me.
You could put it on backwards like this. That might, well, it might not be quite so hot. That looks awesome. Why you gotta be so nuts? Why you gotta be so nuts to me? You gonna pick your nose on a video?